inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanity.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, today is a very good Friday. Hello, say hi.
Hi.
This is how I used to say it. Normal time I used to watch YouTube. How do they used to say it?
Hi guys.
Hi guys, what? Welcome back to my
China.
China.
Like how so?
Okay. So guys, welcome back to my channel. We are here at the Futsal court. Abina is here. Asha himself is here.
Yeah. What's up, guys?
Yeah. So we're about to exercise. That's how we used to spend our Friday nights. So we're gonna play Futsal. As you can see, there's some other guys there, some of the locals from Indonesia. So we're gonna do this. So I wanna show you guys how my Friday night looks like. So let's see. I have not much else to say again. So let's see. Okay. Peace out.
Hello, bro.
How are you? I'm good. Hello, Dan. How are you? Hello. Yeah. Yeah, I'm making a vlog. Yeah, don't worry. Okay, bro. All right. Nice one. Again. Abo. Nice one. Shoot. Touch. Maju. Nice one. Let's go. So guys, that's the end of the game. We had a very tough game, and it was very enjoyable. So about to go now. Asha, what do you have to say about the Futsal?
I kept shooting blank. I couldn't even score then, but tomorrow will be a better day. Peace out.
So that's it for today. I'll see you guys on the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. Peace.